Hey everyone, today I have a 1991 Chevy K1500. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the drive belt. It's pretty simple. All you need is the Serpentine belt tool. I'm going to be using a 16mm socket on it. So this comes with a bunch of sockets inside. We'll go ahead and put you on the tripod real quick. Alright, I got you on the tripod. So basically all you do is you want to make sure that you remember where the belt is. So I'd advise you to take a picture before so you can make sure you know the routing. Every vehicle comes with like a diagram, which that diagram will tell you how it's routed. Let's see if I can zoom in a little. There we go, you can read that. So it shows you without AC, and then that's this dotted line here. And if it does have an AC, of course it's going to be routed the other way. So in my case, I have an AC. So I'm just going to remember that I have an air conditioner, so I have to route it that way. I don't actually need a belt, but I'm just going to go ahead and take this off and show you how to do it. So putting it on the wrong one there. This method really applies to any vehicle with this setup. It's just a tensioner pulley setup. See if I can get that to focus. So all you do is just push down. You want to make sure you push the right direction. And if you push down, you can reach over on this other side and pull it off. Just pull it off just like that, and then let the tensioner pulley go. Take that out of the way. And then, literally, wiggle the whole thing out of there. We'll see if we can remember how it goes in. And that's how you take your belt out. Now I'm just going to do a quick inspection on mine. All I'm doing is looking for any cracks. Any cracks or anything in it. Which, as you can see, there's, I'm trying to get it to focus. You can see there's no cracks, so we're good. This one's not that old. Now to put it back in, this is the tough part. So remember, I got my diagram right here. Okay. So we'll start at the bottom. Bottom first. Basically, all I'm doing is just getting it set way down there on that bottom pulley. Okay. I know it's kind of hard to see. There's a pulley way down here. There's a pulley over here on the right side. There's your tensioner pulley. Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pulleys on this one. Now, when you think you have it right, you want to make sure you double check it. Now, I've got it reran exactly like the diagram. If you can see on this right side here, let me see if I can turn it a little. I'm gonna drop this down and see if I can aim it a little bit. There we go. All right, so just to recap, I'm gonna use this as a pointer. I don't know how far down you can see, but way down here, I put it down way on the bottom. Here, I'll take you off the tripod and show you. All right, so there's a pulley way down there on the bottom. So I had to put it on that pulley, come up, go over that one, back under this one, over, under the tensioner pulley, okay? And then it goes back up to this one, okay? And then down to that one down there. And then when it goes down, it goes back down and around and over to the part that goes to the engine, okay? And then back around and back down to that very bottom one way down there. All right, so once again, I used the diagram. I have an air conditioner, so I'm not going to worry about this line here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that other picture there. Okay. All right, now, so like I say, once you get it all how you think it needs to be, okay, get it all set. Of course, you don't have enough, okay? There ain't enough to put back on there. So you're gonna put this socket back on there, twist it like so until you can stretch it up there and get it on there. Once you can get it on there, then you easily let go, okay? Now that it's back on, you want to make sure everything is really nice and snug and lined up, okay? And then I'm checking the diagram here as well. Looks good. So now that's back on there, I'll go ahead and go start it. Alright, and that's how you replace your serpentine belt / drive belt. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go subscribe and comment on the channel if there's something you want to see or if you have any questions on this video, and make sure you hit the like button. Appreciate it.